What's going on, guys? It's your boy G, back again with another one for you. Glad to have you guys with me like always. So, today we're just gonna be talking about some birds and giving you guys an update of what they have been doing. If we got new babies, if we got new eggs, what's going on? Alright? Look at that, the starfinch picking at the coconut fiber. Anyways, the canary, look at him. He's ready. He's ready for the female. Finished his molt. Got the white boy over here. He's showing off for the camera, buddy. Let me see how you sing. Show them how you sing. How beautiful it is. Wait, this bird is acting like a female. I bought it as a male. But it's giving me some female vibes. We got this guy here, he's finishing up his molt. He's not gonna breed. He's just gonna sing for me and that's it. Cause I don't like the whatever kind of canary this is. He has more of a smaller eyes, rounder head, smaller beak. You know, I like my canaries like this. You know, like that. The smaller kinds. This is a nice little male. Look at this guy, nice and thin. And here we got the two females. I like that gray female there. Then we have my mixed color. So guys, I did not go to the New York bird show, and I should have went. A buddy of mine went, and if I knew he was going, I would have went with him. The only reason why I didn't go was because I didn't want to drive by myself. That was the only reason. And then I decided to go around. Look at that. Doing the magic dance. And then I decided to go around, what was it, 9 o'clock almost. And I'm like, oh no, I'm not going. I should have went. I should have. But There's one that's gonna be happening in New Hampshire. If you guys don't know about it, it's gonna be in New Hampshire. It's if you look up birds of a feather, um, it'll pop up on YouTube, on the internet. And it's the 35th annual. It's gonna be October 26th. So if you guys are looking to pick up some birds, show some birds, go over there. I'll be there, guaranteed. Guaranteed I'll be there. Not missing that one. See what kind of birds the East Coast will bring to us. Okay, so since the bird's been here in this bird room, man, I loved it. I love it. It's great. You know, the air quality ever since I opened up the door here, this space here, ever since I opened up this space from that coop, that section, the air quality just been different, 100% different. Okay, my Indian silverbills, they are building their nest in here. I thought they wouldn't, but hey, they are. I put coconut fiber here yesterday, and now it's all in there. I put some more there today, so they can finish up their nest. I want to leave them alone. My wax bill, I put more this morning, but look at their nest. Look how they did it already. That's them, guys. That is not me. That is not me. So, this Christmas tree ornament, I should have done it a different way. Now that they're doing their nest, I'm gonna leave it. But it should have been done like this. I'll do a video on how to do it. There's an entry hole there, there's an entry hole there, and then they just build a nest inside. Basically, you're just covering it and leaving entry holes. On the front there, I twisted the bottom part and the top part twisted together so it can stay. I made a little entry passage here. You see the nesting materials there. There's one from the back over there, and there's one in the front here that they can do. The male has been acting crazy. The coloration of the male still coming in. He already finished his molt. As soon as his colors come in, the females, everything will be all right. But it'll take a little bit. I'm not gonna say he's halfway there because he isn't. He's a little bit less than half, but he's almost close to the half. Because these guys get really red. Beautiful color when they're in season. Beautiful, beautiful color. So I can't wait to get babies from them. See the male. How he's putting his chest up like that. You guys will fall in love with a strawberry finch when he's in color. Well, my silver bills are doing great, building their nest. My tricolor munias, I just put the coconut fibers in there. Let's see what they do. I'm gonna buy more Christmas tree ornaments, and I'm gonna put a different style in there for them. So that's that. We have eggs in this room already. My owl finches are giving me eggs. I put a pair of parafinches in here. They're giving me eggs. And my other parafinch is gonna be laying eggs soon. Oh yeah, my Goulians in here. They're nesting on the eggs. They're putting coconut fibers in there as well, see? They got 3 eggs in there. That's great news. But all these guys here, Goulian pair, starfinch, owlfinch, starfinch, Goulian. And that's it. I got 1 male here and another male there. When I get a female, put it in. It's quick. It's that quick. This canary's giving me female vibes. I gotta recheck her or him. If it's a female, I need to get a male like that. I like the white capped males. Goulians are doing okay. Just one there's a little bit on the puffier side, but I got the heat lamp for him there. These guys are sitting on babies. I mean, eggs, not babies, eggs. I got my a white pair of Cremino Lutinos. They got the red eyes. And I got my regular pair over there. So that's going well. I put my other pair of the wax bills in here. I gotta get them situated with the nesting material stuff. Right now they're just in there. And the babies. We got babies going on. We got the Goulians in here. The owlfinch fledged. We got the owlfinches in here. They're out. This one, no, this one. Guys, look how many fronds I have in here. 1, 2, probably 2 or 3. Beautiful. Unbelievable beautiful. In here. Hello guys. We got babies in here. There's 2 more underneath her. There's 2 more fronds, owlfinches in here. She's all puffy and getting mad. She's gonna start feeding them, which is good. All right, do your thing, mama. Guys, you're not gonna believe this, what I'm about to show you. I couldn't believe it. Not even myself. Oh, we got, let's see if she started laying eggs again. Oh, she did. It's a cutthroat. Look at this. A cutthroat baby. Look how big he is. That's great. We got a cutthroat baby. Oh, we got eggs over there from the cutthroat again, which is great. I was gonna pull them out and put it in the cage, you know. Nothing in there. Okay. Calm down, people. Calm down. Birds in here are doing great. Everybody's good. If anybody's looking for Cremino, we got a Cremino male. His female next to him there. We got some owl finches available. Star finches available. We got a bronze mannequin hen available. Grass mass finch. Can do a pair. I got a few stuff here. I mean, I can use them for breeding, but I can only do so much in here. You know, I can only get so big in here. Alright guys, what I wanted to share with you guys now is this here. If you don't have this, go get it. I paid 18 bucks for this thing. Yeah, $18. I used where the star is 15% into this. Okay, I fill it up. I pump it. I can see if I can try this. Let's see. Oh, that's even better. That's more like a spray. But you want to take out the food. Some people don't take out the food and the waterers. I like to. Okay, the day you put all the waterers, the feeders, you get new feeders. You put all these in the bleach waterers. You take your new waterers. Like I come in here every other day with new waterers. I take these out and just spray everything. Spray the birds. Let's pretend this cage has the bird inside of it. You just spray. Just spray it. Okay? You spray everything. Like this nest box, the dove, see? You can spray it all. Spray it all. Don't feel like you can't. Close this up before that gets sprayed inside. Permethrin. You guys want to have a clean bird room, even on the walls, like wherever this touches. And if there's any bugs, you know, mites that lingers on the birds and the nest boxes and all that good stuff, when they walk out, you know, when they walk out, they die. They hit contact with it, they die. So that's good for that. Like the side that the bird is not on, the feed is not on. You know. Get them. Get them. Anything. You can spray anything. You know. Spray the floors. You spray the corners. You spray the roof. The ceiling. You spray it all. You bought some new stuff. Look at this. Right inside the finch. Strawberry finch. You know, new ornaments. Spray it all. Don't feel like you can't. Because of course you can. Alright guys, pick it up if you don't have it. Do yourself a favor. Get your birds right. Get the bird room right. You want to have free mites. And believe me, they hang out in the crevices of the perches. And between the water crevice. You know, they hang out in between the cages, like stuff like this. And in the bottom of the nest boxes. On these little edges here where the nest boxes hang. If you take that out, right inside there, the rim of it, they are a pest. And I do the permethrin. You can use the ivermectin same way as I just used the permethrin. You can use the ivermectin if you can't get to it. Okay, and I like to do is smoke the bird room. They inhale it. It kills inside the ear sac mites and everything as well. That's when we come with the scat as well and the S76. S76 and the scat, they play a big part together. So pick that up. Do yourself a favor. Pick it up. Have your bird room beautiful, mites free. If you have a different way that you're doing, continue doing it your way. This is the way I do it. Some people they leave the feed. They just take out the water. I've seen some people spray everything. The water, the feed. They just don't directly spray it on the feed or on the water. But a quick passage, you know, but I wouldn't recommend it. Take out the waters. The feeds, they're hidden in here, but you know, the bounce back can go in. But hey, it is what it is. You know, you can use that, and believe me guys, your birds will be different. You will see everything different. Everything. I sprayed it in there. I went ham in that bird aviary. And the birds are doing great. I sprayed all on my birds. If they say, oh, the birds will die, well, sorry. My birds are all alive. As you guys seen. They're all alive in here. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have any questions on the permethrin or the ivermectin, stuff like that, let me know, and I'll get back to you. Comment down below what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye now.